June 16th, 2022, a day that sent shockwaves through the world of football. FIFA made a groundbreaking announcement, unveiling the 16 cities and stadiums chosen to host the 2026 World Cup. But here's the kicker, this won't be your average World Cup. Oh no, this will be history in the making. For the first time ever, three nations, the United States, Canada, and Mexico are teaming up to host the biggest soccer tournament on the planet. And that's not all. With a staggering 48 countries competing, 16 more than usual, this tournament is set to shatter records and redefine what it means to be a global sporting event. But where will all this magic happen? Well, buckle up, because we're about to take you on a journey through some of the most iconic stadiums and vibrant cities across the continent. From the historic Estadio Azteca in Mexico City to the futuristic SoFi Stadium in Los Angeles, every venue has its own story to tell and promises to deliver unforgettable moments. So mark your calendars, football fanatics, because the 2026 World Cup is going to be an epic celebration of the beautiful game like never before. Get ready to dive into the heart of Mexico as we explore the thrilling World Cup venues set to host some of the biggest matches of the 2026 tournament. First up, Mexico City, the beating heart of Mexican football. Here, nestled among the bustling streets, lies the iconic Estadio Azteca. This colossal concrete behemoth has witnessed history unfold since its inauguration in 1966. Home of the Mexican national team, Club America, and Cruz Azul, the Azteca has hosted not one, but two World Cup finals, along with countless legendary matches. And with preparations for the 2026 World Cup in full swing, this temple of football is undergoing a major facelift. From interior renovations to the addition of a new shopping center nearby, the Azteca is gearing up to welcome fans from around the globe. Now let's travel 480 kilometers west to the vibrant city of Guadalajara, home to the Estadio Akron. Built into a man-made grass-covered hill, this $250 million stadium is more than just a sports venue. It's a work of art. With a capacity of 48,000 seats, the Akron is ready to erupt with excitement as fans gather to witness the magic of the World Cup. And last but certainly not least, we journey 640 kilometers north to the dynamic city of Monterrey, where the Estadio BBVA awaits. Nicknamed the Steel Giant, this stunning stadium boasts a backdrop like no other. The majestic Cerro de la Silla mountain, with a capacity of 51,000 and state-of-the-art facilities, the BBVA is set to leave a lasting impression on players and fans alike. From the historic Azteca to the innovative Akron and the breathtaking BBVA, Mexico's World Cup venues promise an unforgettable experience for football enthusiasts worldwide. Get ready to explore the star-spangled stadiums of the United States as we uncover the epic venues set to host the 2026 World Cup. First stop, the East Coast, where five powerhouse stadiums will play host to some of the most thrilling matches of the tournament. Just 30 kilometers south of Boston lies Gillette Stadium, home to the legendary New England Patriots. This three-tiered arena, built at a cost of $325 million in 2002, is currently undergoing a massive makeover to become a world-class sports venue by 2026. 270 kilometers southwest, nestled just outside the Big Apple, is MetLife Stadium, the crown jewel of New York sports. With a whopping capacity of 82,000 and a price tag of $2 billion, this colossal arena set the bar for stadium excellence when it opened in 2010. 140 kilometers further south, along the scenic Delaware River, stands Lincoln Financial Field, home to the mighty Philadelphia Eagles. This $750 million three-tiered arena offers fans not only top-notch football action, but also unparalleled views of downtown Philadelphia. Prepare to be dazzled as we head 1,070 kilometers southwest to Atlanta, home of the futuristic Mercedes-Benz Stadium. With its origami-like exterior, halo-shaped video board, and a retractable roof that opens and closes like a camera lens, this $1.6 billion marvel is a sight to behold. 950 kilometers south to the vibrant city of Miami, home to the iconic Hard Rock Stadium. Since 1987, this $670 million masterpiece has been a beacon of sports excellence with its distinctive rectangular roof and steel spires. Now let's venture into the heartland of America, where three iconic stadiums are poised to make history as hosts of the 2026 World Cup. First up, we have Arrowhead Stadium, nestled in the heart of Kansas City, a true mecca for football fans. Since its inauguration in 1972, this $279 million marvel has been a fortress for the Kansas City Chiefs, setting records and creating memories with its legendary atmosphere. 700 kilometers south, in the bustling metropolis of Dallas-Fort Worth, stands the majestic AT&T Stadium, the pride and joy of the Dallas Cowboys. Built at the staggering cost of $1.6 billion in 2009, this four-tiered wonder can hold up to 80,000 fans, with the capacity expanding to 100,000 for those unforgettable moments. And just 380 kilometers further south, in the vibrant city of Houston, lies the magnificent NRG Stadium, the home turf of the Houston Texans. Since its debut in 2002, this $600 million gem has been setting the standard for excellence with its retractable roof and climate-controlled environment. But the excitement doesn't end there. Along the picturesque West Coast, three more World Cup venues await. First, we have SoFi Stadium in Los Angeles, a true marvel of modern engineering and the crown jewel of the city's sports scene. Opened in 2020 at a jaw-dropping cost of over $5 billion, this state-of-the-art arena offers a one-of-a-kind experience with its 360-degree infinity screen and climate-controlled environment. 500 kilometers north, in the picturesque San Francisco Bay Area, stands Levi's Stadium, a breathtaking fusion of technology and sustainability. Since its grand opening in 2014, this $1.3 billion masterpiece has been a beacon of innovation with its green roof and cutting-edge amenities. And last but certainly not least, 1,100 kilometers north, in the bustling city of Seattle, we have Lumen Field, a true testament to the passion of Seahawks and Sounders fans alike. Since its inception in 2002, this $430 million wonder has been rocking the Pacific Northwest with its electrifying atmosphere and unforgettable moments. Now get ready to explore the Great White North as we uncover the two dazzling World Cup venues set to host the beautiful game in 2026. First up, we have Toronto, a vibrant metropolis nestled along the shores of Lake Ontario, where BMO Field awaits. Since its inauguration in 2007, this $140 million stadium has been the beating heart of Toronto sports, home to the beloved Toronto Argonauts and Toronto FC. And now we journey 3,400 kilometers west to the stunning city of Vancouver, where BC Place stands tall against the backdrop of the majestic mountains. Since its grand opening in 1983, this $297 million marvel has been a symbol of sports excellence, boasting a capacity of 54,000 and featuring a state-of-the-art retractable roof and center-hung video board. Every stadium and every match is carefully chosen to maximize the thrill and excitement of the tournament. In Canada and Mexico, it's all about kicking off the action with epic group stage battles and maybe even a few heart-pounding round of 16 showdowns. But when it comes to the high-stakes quarterfinals, semifinals, and the ultimate showdown in the final, the spotlight shifts to the United States. And there you have it, folks. The 2026 FIFA World Cup promises a spectacular showcase of top-class stadiums across Mexico, the US, and Canada, bringing together football fans from around the world for the ultimate sporting extravaganza. From the iconic arenas of Mexico City to the state-of-the-art stadiums of the US and Canada, get ready to witness history in the making as the beautiful game takes center stage on its grandest platform ever. If you enjoyed this video and want more interesting content on the future of sports, luxury, and more, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Luxury Xplore for more thrilling videos just like this one. Thanks for watching. Until next time.